Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Demo Company. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to explore Xero's accounting software and test out its capabilities without affecting your actual business data, making it perfect for learning and experimentation. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This ensures you're accessing your Xero account where the Demo Company option will be available. On the login screen, you'll see fields for your email address and password. Type your email address into the first field, followed by your password in the second field. Once you've entered both pieces of information, click on the Sign In button. This will authenticate your account and take you to your Xero workspace. After signing in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find your organization drop-down menu. This is a crucial navigation tool in Xero as it allows you to switch between different companies or entities you have access to. Go ahead and click on this drop-down to reveal all available organizations. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option labeled Demo Company Global. This is Xero's built-in demonstration environment that comes preloaded with sample data and transactions. It's specifically designed to help users familiarize themselves with the platform's features and functionality without any risk to real financial information. Simply click on Demo Company Global to access Xero's Demo Company. The system will switch contexts and redirect you to the Demo Company's dashboard. This may take a moment as Xero loads all the demonstration features and sample data associated with this environment. Once the dashboard loads, you'll find yourself in a fully functional Xero environment with all the demo features already added. This includes sample invoices, bills, bank transactions, contacts, and reports that you can interact with freely. You can now explore various features, practice creating transactions, run reports, and test workflows without worrying about making mistakes or affecting actual business records. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed Xero's Demo Company and can now safely explore all its accounting features. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.